how to add the weather and clock widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on empty spot. Next, we go down, then tap on widgets. And from here, scroll down, then tap on weather. And then we go down to the second section, weather and clock. Now here you can choose a small size, medium size, or a larger size widget. And then drag and drop onto your home screen, like so. And that's it. So if you want to customize your weather widget, you can touch and hold onto that, then tap on settings. And here you can change the city. You can change the cities from the list that is available, or you can tap on the add current location, then tap on agree. Here I will not turn on location, I still can search, so I use the search button. And this time we can look for another city, say Tokyo, and then select that city and then tap on add, and then go down and select Tokyo, then tap on saved. And that's it. So that is how you can add the widget to the home screen and customize the cities for the widget. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.